Alrighty guys, that's so ugly, that's so ugly. I didn't like that one. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, I'm already now hype. Okay, so I know it's been a minute. Sorry. You know, I've been busy and stressed out lately due to college. So that's why, you know, if you see me a little like, you know, that's why I haven't been uploading as much. That was so lame. But anyways, getting straight into it. I'm sorry I've been gone for a minute. College, you know, it'd be stressful, but you know. So as you can see by the title of this video, we're gonna be taking down my box braids, and I'm sure y'all can tell we're overgrown, we're grown out. Like, my hair is done. It's fried, it's finito. I can't be going into my freshman year of college looking like dingy, you know what I mean? Like, that's kind of dead, you know? So I have like a lot of like buildup, you can see, like it's gross. I don't know, y'all can barely tell, but you can tell like in certain braids, like it's gross. I have a lot of gel buildup. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna, sorry about the hole, I'm sorry. I'm gonna just take this down and I'm just gonna watch me take my hair down. I don't watch Little Women LA, like, don't talk to me. I don't care, that's the best franchise, like LA now. Little Women LA is where it's at. Stop playing, stop playing. Blonde Chiiyoma is no more. You know how they say blondes have more, you know the saying like blondes have more fun? This was fun. I got a lot of compliments with this hair. But it's dead, like, it's time to go back to me. I'm actually excited to wash my hair because I got like this, I'm trying to try this Ayurvedic regimen. So yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna catch y'all up to the T since y'all wanna know what I've been doing. Since I've been gone for a minute, man, I've been kind of not secretive, but like nobody really knows like what I've been doing. Like, I've been chilling, like minding my business, but I didn't even know shit could get hectic like this, bro. I look like a aratama. This could be a look like what the models be doing. Wait, oh, the Martin Pro's hairy. That's gonna be embarrassing. All right, so now I got my water bottle and I got my almond oil because, you know, something to detangle with. So I'm just gonna start and begin because, you know, ooh, it's wet. So basically, I'm gonna just catch y'all up with what's going on. I mean, I look fat in front of y'all, embarrassing. So as y'all know, I'm gonna, oh, if you didn't know, I'm gonna be a freshman in college, you know, Texas State, gang, 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 gang. I'm gonna be a Bobcat. So with that being said, you know, am I scared? Am I nervous? No, not really. But of course I am kind of like nervous and anxious because that's like real life. I'm gonna be in the real world. So that is something different. I'm mainly excited to, you know, get out the house, but I'm sure every teenager is, so I'm not even like, man, all my friends are already get out the house, so I'm not even tripping, to be honest. So I'm rooming with my friend, and bro, this whole, y'all don't even know, I had a whole roommate situation that I can't even get into because I don't know what kind of problems it's gonna lead into, so we're not gonna get into that. Oh man, I feel like I waited till I took these out because it's a little. That's crazy, guys. I did my big Choppa like a while ago. I mean, it's growing kind of. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, moving day is literally August. Today's August what, 4th? I don't know what day it is. August 4th, I think. And moving day is August 19th. So literally my last day of work is next week. I'm a vlog for y'all, man. Cause bro, I'm ready to leave work. Like HEB is fun and all. It's definitely, I feel like it's definitely a good job because you get paid to do so much. No, I'm sorry, you get paid so much to do so little. So I'm definitely grateful for that job. But you know, like everybody has like that moment during like when they're working or with their job or like maybe with anything. like it's all fun and exciting in the beginning, but then it starts to like, you know, it's like a roller coaster. It starts to like, once it reaches peak, it's like you're over it, you know what I mean? So I think I'm at that point where I'm kind of over it. And then I started I was getting in trouble, but like stuff kept happening towards me, you know. It's just, I was just so over the whole situation. So I don't want to quit, but like, I don't know. So basically, so when I go to college, it's gonna be my break, because, you know, we come back during Thanksgiving break. So that's gonna be, I feel like it's gonna be a good break that I need, because I just been there for so long. So that's it. I'm just ready to leave HEB. I feel like I've been there too long, you know what I mean? Okay, so with the tea with me, I don't even know if I can get into details, but basically your girl got into like a little entanglement, bro. And I promise you, y'all, it never be my fault, but then again, it be my fault. Like, I don't be chasing after these dudes, no cap. No, let me stop talking, because I sound like an idiot. I sound like an idiot. Like, I don't know. Sometimes I be thinking like, I don't even know. Like, I don't be thinking I'm a catch or whatever. Cause like, I know I have a good personality and all this, but like, I just didn't know I was this impactful to certain people. I'm not even trying to toot my own horn, but I just didn't know. You know what I mean? Basically, some stuff went down, guys, and I feel like everybody hurt. Like, people might think I'm good, but like, I'm not even trying to make it like a selfish situation. Oh, you only care about yourself, like, you know, and y'all probably like confused, but at the end, I feel like everybody's hurt. I cried. They're not gonna cry, but like, I was basically in like a love triangle, guys. It was basically like some Twilight type stuff. It was just, I had to choose. It was just so bad, bro. Look how dirty this is. That is so disgusting. That is so disgusting. That's all gel. Whatever. Damn, seeing my hair black, I have black hair. It was like basically a love triangle, and it was just kind of like, it was scary, because I honestly feel like that is the worst type of situation to ever be in, and I feel like I wouldn't wish that on anybody, due to the fact that like, having to choose between two people like you really like care about or love, or just two things you're passionate about, like whatever, not even just people with anything, having to choose is the hardest decision. And I'm a really indecisive person, so just being put in that situation where I have to choose, me being an indecisive person, that was the hardest thing I ever had to do in my life. And usually when I'm indecisive, I either just don't do it at all, or I have both. But these are like real people you're dealing with, and you know, you can't have your cake and eat it too, you know what I mean? And like, I don't even know, being by myself is an option, but then again, you know, I'm happy, you know, with those people. So it was just really hard. And honestly, at the end of the day, I don't even think it came to like a result. I feel like everybody got hurt, everybody got disappointed. So I guess I did choose to leave, because I accepted the fact that like, either way I'm going to college, either way that's the time to be. I had to talk with one of my friends from my old job, and we just talked. Me and my friend Will, I gotta shout out Will. We had like this deep, like long talk. It wasn't deep, but he just was spitting knowledge on me, and he was just basically saying like, cause he's a year older than me, so he's already been through his freshman year, so he's gonna be in his sophomore year. And he was just telling me, you don't need to be in a relationship, because like, you gotta focus on yourself. So he was just speaking knowledge. And then with this whole corona, because quarantine I feel like was a blessing, because people got to find themselves, but I also feel like quarantine is a blessing and a curse for definitely people, and how you utilize quarantine. So for me, it was a blessing, because I feel like I got to work more and be myself. But also, I was in solitude a lot, so I had time to be in my head a lot and overthink. So with me, when I overthink, I get anxious, and I get like, I don't want to say depressed, but I get in my feelings. So that happened a lot. I had a lot of trying times, and then especially this situation that happened, it intensified it. Like, I was really sad and anxious. It was just so bad, guys. Like, it was a lot. And then I couldn't post certain videos because I had it, but I had to like be considerate of other people. It was just a lot. So yeah, basically I just can't wait to go to college, because I just get to be alone, and I guess just be away from being in Houston. Like, I love Houston, and it's a good place. But just being out this environment that I'm currently in, that I've always been in, so no work, I don't have to be home. I'm the only one out of my friend group, so different friends. Like, I'm literally gonna be alone, and I'm kind of scared because I know when I'm alone, I get in my head. So hopefully I know I'm gonna be good. I'll be good if I just call like my friends, just call people who are good to me. Like, I'll be fine. I got too much shit going on, bruh. All right. A little Chinese pop. Yeah, this is a look. It's a look. It's just not a look. Oh, with some short braids. I'm gonna get into wigs or something, you know, so I can be doing. My hair actually feels way thicker, and if y'all didn't know, I feel like I said it so many times, but like when I was on Accutane, like my hair was falling out because I wasn't taking care of it, and like it was one of the side effects of Accutane was like thinning hair, like hair loss. So I had like a bald patch and all that. So to feel that my hair is like thicker, it actually makes me happy. I have like a lot of buildup, so I'm gonna do by section. So I'm gonna just spray water through it. Alright. Spray some water. Oh, I just use almond oil because it's just, we have it in the house.
Today we have special permission to dive on a ship called the USS.
One half left, and this could actually be a look, because like a blonde bob or like a bob in general, like it gives me like mature woman vibes type. It gives me mature girl vibes type stuff. All my braids, and this is like all the hair in this bag. So I'm officially not a blonde anymore. You know, it was fun while it lasted. You know, but you know, I don't know if my hair grew. I guess we're gonna. I mean, okay, it grew. Yeah. So now I'm gonna just like basically detangle it. So we're gonna end it right here, because basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna detangle it, literally, and then that's it. But yeah, y'all see me in my fresh form, like my realest form. So thank you guys for letting me vent to you, and y'all for watching the video, like letting me vent to you, you know? I don't know, I just had to talk it out. So y'all are actually seeing me in my truest form, like my hair in a twist, the hair out, like yes. This is after. I don't know how many months after Big Chop, but like I think 3 months, 2 months, I don't remember. I think 3 months after Big Chop. So yeah, this is my hair, and I'm actually excited. When I wash it, y'all gonna see how my true length, and when I style it and then blow dry it, y'all are really gonna see how long it is. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all later on the next video.